how to apply blur, grayscale, or color effects on the home screen background wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then touch and hold on the home screen. Next, tap on Wallpaper. Then tap on the right hand side panel. This is the home screen panel. And then we go down and tap on the Effect button. From here, the first option is the original color from the photo. Here we swipe across, we can apply different effects such as blur, grayscale, color. For color, you can select a different color here. From the color picker, you can choose any color that you like. And then tap on Done. Here you can apply the strength effect, so you can have a maximum strength, which is a full solid color, or you can have a semi-transparent or minimal transparent. And then tap on the Apply button at the top here. Then tap on Done to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.